Sometimes in our blind pursuit of more, we can lose sight of the present moment. Today, we're talking about the power of gratitude and how it can change your life. And I will also show you how you can build your own gratitude practice. Be warned, the results are going to be amazing. A few years ago, I heard about the power of gratitude, so I decided to start a gratitude journal. What I did is I went to my favorite bookshop, which is Dmox, and I bought I've forgotten the name of the actual journal, but I think it was like a habit journal of some sort. But in it, it had a spot where you would write 10 things you're grateful for each and every day. So I started doing that each and every day in the morning. I'd wake up, write 10 things that I was grateful for. And I realized that the more I did this, the more grounded I felt within myself, the more happier I felt during the day. And even when life was difficult, I still could smile because I was focused on what I was grateful for. And that I realized is the power of gratitude. Here is how gratitude can change your life. The first way that gratitude can change your life is it shows you what is going right. It increases your level of contentment because you're focusing on what is already in your life. You're not looking out, at the grass is always greener on the other side, but you're seeing how green the grass is actually in your life. And as you just dwell in this good feelings of contentment, it really helps you look at life in a more beautiful way. You're able to count your blessings more. The second thing is gratitude will help you keep going, especially when you want to quit. For some reason, as human beings, we tend to be fixated on all the things that are going wrong. We tend to look down upon ourselves and we tend to undermine our achievements. However, gratitude will actually show you that you're making progress, you're making milestones. It will help you be patient and it will help you keep going, especially on that day when you want to throw in the towel on your goal. I know that the year has progressed a few months in, but when you look at this year, how much have you actually achieved and what can you be grateful for in as far as those achievements are concerned? Gratitude will help you stop chasing after all of those big things, It will help you be more grounded in this moment and appreciate those small little things. I know for me, gratitude helped me to become more present. And I actually came across the works of a guy called Eckhart Tolle. And he talks so much about just being grounded in the moment. He wrote a book called The Power of Now. I definitely recommend checking it out because it is so good. So how can you be grounded right in this moment, wherever you're watching me from? What small little thing can you ground into in this moment? I know for me, I can ground into the fact that I'm alive right now. I'm healthy. I'm happy in this moment. It's raining outside and I love the rain. It's winter right now, but it's okay. I don't like the cold, but I really love the rain. So I'm very grateful for that. So what small little thing can you ground into right in this moment? Gratitude will help, will make your relationships so much better. It will sweeten the relationships that are around you because you look around at the people that are in your life and you can verbalize your gratitude towards them. I know for me, every time when I'm writing down my gratitude list, or if anyone asks me, Lorraine, what are you grateful for? I always say I'm so grateful for a wonderful, amazing family. I'm so grateful for my mom, my amazing sisters. They're just the best. I'm so grateful for my cousins, my relatives, for my friends. I have the most amazing relationships. And that's what gratitude does. It really shows you the beauty of the people around you. But I also noticed that gratitude lowers your tolerance for toxic people and toxic situations. And that's one thing that I noticed. The more I became gratitude, those toxic situations just started falling away from my life. So when you look around at your relationships, who are you grateful for? How about you take a minute to actually tell that person that, you know what, I'm grateful for you. I appreciate you. I'm so glad you're in my life. I celebrate you today. Even the small little things. Yesterday, went out with a friend and we got some mango lassi, and I love mango lassi from the Indian restaurant. They make amazing mango lassi. But this place was beautiful. The decor was amazing. They served us the mango lassi in this beautiful tall glasses. It was a whole vibe altogether. I'd never seen mango lassi served in such a beautiful way. And I remember just sitting there and saying, I'm so grateful for this moment. And saying to my friend, I'm so grateful that you've gotten us this mango lassi. And he said, Lorraine, that's nothing. This is just nothing. It's just mango lassi. I was like, no. It's the small little things that matter the most. So when you look around at your relationships, who can you actually appreciate today? Maybe it might be your mom. She does all these wonderful things for her and you take her for granted. You can say, Mom, I'm so grateful for you for the way that you care about me. Maybe it might be a wife, a husband, a boyfriend or girlfriend. You can just stop and say, babe, I'm just so grateful for the way you look out for me, and the way, I know for me, I love tea, for the way that you make me tea all the time. But try it. It's just so magical what it does to your relationships. Gratitude will help you have a positive attitude towards life, and it will help you have a positive outlook. And what this does is it creates opportunities for you. Sometimes, I seem like this person who lives in a sort of bubble because I look at life with trust and I see opportunities all around me. And I remember when I first came to Australia and people were telling me that, you know what, Lorraine, things are going to be hard because, you're an immigrant. This was like 14 years ago, I think now, or things are going to be hard because of this. And I remember just sitting there saying, no, not for me. I'm going to go into all those places and create opportunities for myself. And I'm grateful for the fact that I'm here in this wonderful country. And trust me, that attitude has carried me to so many amazing places and it has opened doors of opportunities for me. So when you look around at your life, what can you be grateful for in your current job, in the work that you're doing, in your team? What can you actually be grateful for? What opportunities are lying around there? Because something happens when you have a positive outlook and a positive attitude. People want to be around you. Opportunities want to follow you. Doors want to open up for you because you're trusting, you're grateful. Lastly, gratitude will improve your mental and physical well-being. Like, gratitude will lower the stress levels in your body and that will increase your immunity. And you know what? Go and look it up, Google it up. I know for me, I'm in the health profession, so I'm well aware of this. Working with the elderly, I have seen that the oldest are usually the happiest and the healthiest. I don't know why, I don't know how. Even those people who've been married for so many years or people who have really beautiful, enriching relationships, they're usually happy people because people want to be around them. So that is what gratitude will do. It will help you be a healthier person. You will rarely, get sick, or I'm not saying if you're sick, it means you're not grateful. No, I'm not saying that. But I'm just saying gratitude will surely improve your mental well-being. It will surely improve your physical well-being. It will help you stay fit, and it will help you in terms of longevity as you grow older. So those are the ways that gratitude can change your life. Now, how can you actually build a gratitude practice for yourself? First of all, start a gratitude journal for yourself. You can either go into the bookstore and buy a specific gratitude journal, or you can just use an existing notebook, or you can use your journal. When I started with my gratitude practice, I needed a specific gratitude journal, because I knew that I was learning a new habit and I needed something to remind me each and every day when I woke up to do my gratitude practice. And what I would love for you to do is each day write down 3 things that you're grateful for. I know for me it was 10, but 3 Good start. Just write down 3 things that you're grateful for each morning for the next 30 days. The next thing is you can find a gratitude buddy or friend. This is someone with a positive outlook towards life. And every day or maybe once a week, whenever you guys speak, you can challenge each other. You'll say that every time we speak, we're going to ask each other what we're grateful for. And there's just this, it just makes it even more powerful when you're just talking about it to a friend. Like I have a friend now who most of the times when you talk, he'll say to me, "Hey Lorraine, what are you grateful for?" And I'll say to him, "Oh, I'm grateful for this, this, this. What are you grateful for?" But I've seen that it's even more powerful saying it aloud to someone else rather than just writing it down. Third thing is each day, take the opportunity to express gratitude to one person in your life. This can be your partner, this can be your parent, like I said before, this can be your classmate, this can be your teammate at work, this can be your manager. Maybe your manager brings in coffee every Friday and you love coffee. Instead of taking it for granted and saying, "Oh yeah, it's just the company buying us coffee, after all, we deserve it," say thank you. Say, "I'm so grateful each time when you bring us coffee," or whenever they do bring coffee, rather than just taking the coffee, just really look them in the eye and express your gratitude. And if this is a loved one, you can even just touch them on the hand, touch them on the shoulder, say, "You know what? I am so grateful each time you do this. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel good." It might be a housemate who's always the first to take out the bins. And what you can do is you can express your gratitude to your housemate. "I am so grateful each time you take out the bins. It makes life easier for me. So I am so grateful." And just watch for that smile in their eyes or the smile on their face. Lastly, if you're having a bad day, stop and actually write down 10 things that you're grateful for. I used to call this stop and drop and do 10, where if the day just felt so hard, I'd be like, "You know what? I'm just going to stop and ask myself, what am I grateful for?" and write those things down. There you have it. This is how gratitude can change your life, and this is how you can actually build your own gratitude practice. Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to start a gratitude practice today? Let me know yes. Let me know or write no in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful that you watched this video, and I just want to encourage you to share this video with a friend, share this video with a loved one, anyone who needs to hear this. I will really, really be truly grateful if you did that. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next episode. I publish episodes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so I'll see you then.